In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can add face unlock. Begin by launching settings and tapping on biometrics and password after scrolling down. Then tap on face recognition, enter your screen lock and click on add facial profile over here. Then click on this switcher next to raise to wake feature to turn it on or off, and when you're ready, hit get started. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can tap on rename and name your face data however you wish to. Choose save and manage all of those options. When you're finished, just go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!